Can anything else go wrong? Oh my God, this is so stressful. I have 1 week to get this party together and I am losing my mind. Like, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, welcome, welcome, and welcome. Today, guys, I am planning Faith's party. She's having it in about a week and a half, and really a week. So I gotta plan this thing out. I did a little of running around. New to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mommy J. This is Faith's Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. Before we start, make sure you guys like, comment, and share this video. Make sure y'all subscribe because it's fun over here. All right, so let me get into this video. Okay, so I have about a week away to plan this party for Faith, okay? I usually don't do parties, but Faith wanted to have one with her friends, so that's what we are doing. Her birthday is in October, but she wanted to have this party during the school year so her friends could come. October is freezing and really not a lot of luck trying to get kids together to come in when it's cold. Okay, so I have about a week away to get this party started. I went to this store, I went to that store, I went to this store, and I am losing my mind. I hate doing all of this running around, but I'm almost at the finish line. So I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got for this party. So let me show you guys what I did, okay? And I want y'all to let me know what y'all think in the comments. So y'all think I did okay? Let sister know, honey, because y'all probably already know I don't like throwing parties. So first, she has about 10 kids invited to the party. So I went out and got these gift bags here. So these are like 3 in a pack. So I got 3, 6, 9, and 12. I got some extras just in case, you know, whoever didn't RSVP and they just show up. I do have some extras, okay? And, you know, sometimes the parents, my mama, she want to take a candy bag home, so I got her too. Okay, hey, mom, I see you, girl. So these are the bags that I got. Really cute, very affordable. These were $1.25. Not bad. You get 3 in the pack. And, of course, I went to Dollar Tree and got them. So I did that today. I got these. We're going to put all the little gifts in here, all the little candies. And the place where she's having a party, I think they said they're making little bags, but I wanted to do it also from the heart because I love making little gift bags. Now, I do love doing this for the children, okay? So this is what I got. I got these little shades to throw in the little bags for the little girlies. Y'all know all little girlies love little shades, and I thought these were so cute. These were from the dollar store. Look how cute they were. So I got these to throw in a little gift bag. I also got some yellow ones like pineapples. Aren't they cute? Let me know what y'all think, okay? So these like little pink ice creams. I just thought these all were cute. So I'm gonna throw all of these inside of their little gift bags, okay? So I got a bunch of these to put in the gift bags, okay? I also I went to Claire's, and sometimes they be having like little sales. I got these little Pop-It Pops lip gloss. I got that one. I got this one from Claire's, the little shimmer lip glosses. Really cute. Little girls love little lip glosses. I got a few of these here. Look how cute. This is a little bunny. This one is a little unicorn. Thought these were just really, really cute, right? I got another one here. I'm gonna put these in the little gift bags. And then this was another one. You could put this like on your little book bag. Another little lip smucker here. Cute little glitter one. This one looked like a little unicorn. I thought these were a little cute. Okay. This is another one I got. So I got a bunch of these to put in the little bags. Here's another one. So I got these to put in the bags too. I also went and got the girls some little nails. So they're gonna have some little notes to put in the little gift bags. And these were like, these are by Kiss and they're mom approved. So this one is little smiley faces with rainbows. This one is little, the same thing. These are the same. Aren't they cute, y'all? This is another one I got. So I picked up a few of those. Okay, so these are from the Dollar Tree. These are so cute, and I think they were running low on them, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are like the little yellow smiley faces. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go back and pick up maybe a few more. I got another one, so I'm gonna throw these in the gift bag as well. You know, little girls like to get their little nails done. This is another one I got. So I got those. And this was another one in the box. Another Claire's little lipstick, little lip gloss. Then there's another one in here from Claire's, another lip gloss. Okay, so I also picked up some little treats. Now y'all know you gotta have a candy going on in here, so I also got some candy to put in the little gift bag. So I also got the Krabby Patty mix. So these are like sour, and then they have the plain original. These like the little hamburgers. So I got these to put in the little gift bags. This is another bag to put in there just in case. I also picked up some double bubble gum. I got some Dum Dum lollipops. I got some Laffy Tappies. They got banana, strawberry, sour, and grape. Child, they gonna have them a good old time, girl. I got some Jolly Ranchers. You know the kids love the Jolly Ranchers. I love them too. I got some Smarties to put in the bag. And these are Tootsie Fruit Chews. I think these are orange, lemon, cherry, and watermelon, and raspberry. I got some Blow Hops to put in the bag. I also picked up these squeezy worms. So they have like 12 in a pack. So I'm gonna throw one of these each in their little gift bags. They stretch. So I guess the kids like stuff like this. They told me to get these to put in the gift bag, so of course I did. I got some Snickers. I also got another Jolly Rancher pack. Okay, and then I also picked up, they told me to pick up some little chips. I always do little chips and stuff like when I do like parties. I got some Cheetos. I got some puffy Cheetos. I got Lay's chips. I got the Lay's chips here. Just gonna throw those back. And then I got some Flaming Hot Crunchy ones. Got some popcorn and another Cheeto. And what else I picked up? I picked up some forks and spoons for the cake. You know, so they gotta have some utensils when they eat their lunch. They gotta have utensils when they eat their cake. And whatever else I'm gonna have. I also picked up these look like little paper plates. These little cute little dollhouse plates so they can put their little cakes and whatever snacks on here. I got some napkins also just in case. I know the place we're having it at, they're gonna have things there, but I just like to be extra prepared going to events and having events. I just like to be prepared. So the only thing that I did not do, I have to go Saturday to pick up her birthday cake, so I'm gonna do that. And then she got her birthday outfit out the way. Thank God I did that like 3 weeks ago. I got it off of Etsy. This lady made it and it's so cute. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll probably do a little bit of recording so you guys can see the party. Okay, I got her birthday outfit off of Etsy.com, and this lady, she handmade it for me. It's so cute, and she got to get her hair done. So the only things that I have to do, honey, is just get there, meet the kids. Some of the parents are gonna be there. and they're gonna have a good little time. They're gonna be getting their little nails done. They're gonna get their facials. Faith is excited. I'm excited. So that was that with the preparation. I probably get some balloons to take there, and I think they're gonna have pizza and stuff like that. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. What y'all think about the little gift bags? Let me know what y'all think in the comments about the little party bag preparation thing I got going on. Let me know what y'all think. Is that something y'all would do? Have y'all done party bags before? Let me know. Is this something y'all think? Do y'all think I need to add on anything? Faith wanted me to get some stickers, but I could not find the little stickers. I'll probably try to find some more stickers to add in the bag. Maybe I'll run back out tomorrow and try to find some little stickers. But do y'all think they need more stuff in here? Or y'all think they good? Drop it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. If they need some more little items in there, let me know what y'all think I should also add in the bag. Or if y'all think they good with that. All right. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for supporting your girl. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace and blessings. Love you. Bye.
Am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.